Hello everyone. What if I told you there's a therapy that might not just slow down aging, but could even help your cells feel younger? Today, we are talking about hyperbaric oxygen therapy, or HBOT, and how it could play a role in anti-aging and wellness. Let's dive in. HBOT involves breathing pure oxygen in a pressurized chamber. This isn't just more oxygen, it's oxygen under higher pressure, which helps dissolve more of it into your blood plasma. The idea is simple: more oxygen to your tissues means better repair, better regeneration, and possibly a longer, healthier life. Here's where it gets fascinating. At the ends of our chromosomes are telomeres. Think of them as the plastic tips of shoelaces that protect our DNA. Every time a cell divides, telomeres get shorter. Shorter telomeres mean cellular aging, higher risk of disease, and a shorter lifespan. Now imagine if we could slow that shortening or even reverse it. A 2021 study in Scientific Reports took healthy adults and put them through 30 sessions of HBOT. The results? An increase in telomere length in white blood cells, something that had never been shown before in humans. Scientists believe this may happen because HBOT boosts oxygen delivery, supports DNA repair, reduces oxidative stress, and activates telomerase, the enzyme that helps maintain telomeres. But HBOT's potential doesn't stop at telomeres. Studies suggest it may accelerate tissue repair and reduce inflammation, boost mitochondrial function for more energy, stimulate collagen production for healthier, younger looking skin, support brain health by promoting neurogenesis and reducing oxidative stress. All of these could contribute to feeling and looking younger and possibly slowing the effects of aging. Of course, we have to be realistic. While early studies are promising, we need larger, longer term research to know the full picture. HBOT isn't risk free, it must be done under medical supervision to avoid complications like ear or lung barotrauma or oxygen toxicity. So, could HBOT be part of the future of anti aging medicine? Possibly. The science is still evolving, but the idea that we might boost cellular repair and even lengthen telomeres is exciting. If you found this video interesting, hit that like button, share it with someone who's curious about longevity, and subscribe for more science-based wellness content. Until next time, breathe deep, stay healthy, and keep your cells happy.